I'm just calling to say I
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jovan, and today I'm going to update this LED mask that I made back in September. I've actually made 3 of these masks and they all look the same, so I thought I would like to change one of it to look something different. Okay, so let's get started. So first we are going to untie the old LED strips from the mask just to the point where we want to make changes. If you want to know how to make this LED mask from scratch, please check out the video in the card above, right? That video is a detailed video of how to make this mask from scratch. Okay, fun fact, that was my first video, my first upload here in YouTube. So check it out, guys. Now we're going to make some additional holes. I'm using a hobby knife, but you can use a small pointy object like screwdriver or scissors. That will do the trick. If you guys want to get all the items, need to know all the items that I use to make this LED mask, I'll leave a link to all the items that I use down in the description box below. I apologize guys for the quality of the video. I did not realize that my camera is overheating. At this point of time onwards, the image will get more foggy.
just calling to say I
Right, now that that's done, we have a new looking mask. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share, like, and comment down below, guys.
I'm just calling to
Thank you
say
for watching the
I
video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and peace out.